Hello YouTuber, welcome to my channel. My name is Dipak Varsani. If you are a YouTuber and you want to learn something new about a new YouTube feature, then this video is for you because YouTube has recently introduced new feature which is not available for everyone, but it is for selected users. So here this is the option I was talking about. It is A/B testing. So now users can do multiple options in title and see which one is working. So if I click on this option, I'm getting this message and it is clearly saying that this is not available for every YouTubers. There will be bugs and you have to give permission to YouTube that they will collect your analytics performance. So let me accept these conditions, and here you can see there are 1, 2 and 3 title options I have got. So here there are multiple tab, and in first it is only title if I want to compare title, and then in second tab it is only thumbnail, and in third you can choose particular title for particular thumbnail. So you can do test or experiment which one is working fine for you. You can choose that one. So this is how this feature can be used. So let me just show you quickly how you can try this new feature and choose best thumbnail and title for your video. So these are the title I have decided. Original title I will use this one, and then these are the optional or for test. So let me choose thumbnail. Let me show you quickly so you can see which options you have to choose. Now third one, so finally all the thumbnails are uploaded. You can see the title and thumbnail is appropriate. Now I can set this test, and here it is showing, and I can edit if I want to edit these titles. So this is how you can do experiment with your title and thumbnails, and this is new feature which is on a trial basis at the moment. Let me know where are you from and if this feature is available in your country or not. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to know about this kind of new features and want to learn something about YouTube, please subscribe to my channel, like the video and share it with your friends. I will see you in the next video. Till then, you take care. Goodbye.